Hi, hello friends, welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics.
Next, we will go to the third section in the same exercise 3D, section 3, problem number 1. In this problem, the problem is show that determinant a plus b plus 2c a b c b plus c plus 2a b c a c plus a plus 2b is equal to 2 into a plus b plus c whole cube. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to show the given result. For that, we have to, by using LHS, we have to show the RHS value. Then take an solution. LHS equal to determinant a plus b plus 2c c second a plus a b plus c plus 2a third b c plus a plus 2b. This is the given determinant value. Then here we apply the some operations. Is that we have to apply first operation. R1 is going to be R1 minus R2, and similarly the second operation is R2 is going to be R2 minus R3. Here we apply the two operations, that is for first row and second row. First operation is R1 minus R2, second operation on second row, that is R2 minus R3. Then that is equal to determinant first row is R1 minus R2. R1 means first element is a plus b plus 2c minus R2 minus c plus 2c minus c plus c. That means a plus b plus c. Here a minus of R2 means b plus 2c plus c plus 2a. That means a minus b minus c minus 2a. Then here plus a minus 2a, value is minus a. Then the remaining value is minus b minus c minus a. Because here for our convenience, here a minus of this value, that means minus b minus c minus 2a. The result is minus b minus c minus 2a plus a minus a. And similarly the same, b minus b 0. Here R2 is going to be R2 minus R3, R2 minus R3, c minus c 0. b plus c plus 2a minus a, that is b plus c plus 2a minus a plus a. b minus of, that means b minus of c plus 2c plus a plus 2b, that means minus of means total minus b minus c minus a minus 2b. Here also minus c minus a minus 2b plus b, value is minus b. The third row is same, c plus a plus 2b. This is the result, that is equal to determinant here a plus b plus c. Here taking minus common, minus of a plus b plus c 0 ordering, write it in order a plus b plus c. Here also taking minus common, minus of a plus b plus c. The last row is c plus a plus 2b. This is the value, that is equal to, here take a plus b plus c on common and first row, that is a plus b plus c. In second row also a plus b plus c is same. Then taking again common in second row a plus b plus c, that is square value. Determinant 1 minus 1 0 0 1 minus 1 c a C plus A plus 2B. డిటర్మినెంట్ ఇక్కడ మనము ఫస్ట్ రో నుంచి ఏ ప్లస్ బి ప్లస్ సి కామన్ తీసినాము, అప్పుడు ఏ ప్లస్ బి ప్లస్ సి ఉంటుంది. సెకండ్ రో నుంచి కూడా ఏ ప్లస్ బి ప్లస్ సి కామన్ తీసినాం అనమాట. ఏ ప్లస్ బి ప్లస్ సి ఇంటూ ఏ ప్లస్ బి ప్లస్ సి, దట్ ఈస్ ఏ ప్లస్ బి ప్లస్ సి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. ద రిమైనింగ్ determinant value. Next we can split the determinant value, that is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. This is the same value. The determinant value is 1 into c plus a plus 2b minus of minus plus a, minus into minus plus 1 into second column first row 0 plus c plus 0 into 0 minus c, that is equal to a plus b plus c whole square into here 2b c plus a plus a 2a plus 2b plus 1 into 0 0 1 into c c, 0 into anything value 0, that is equal to a plus b plus c whole square into 2a plus 2b plus 2c. Here we have to take common to get common, then that is equal to, here take 2 as common, 2 into a plus b plus c whole square into again a plus b plus c, that is equal to 2 into a plus b plus c whole square into a plus b plus c, value is a plus b plus c whole cube. This is equal to RHS of the given problem. This is the solution of the first problem in the section 3. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.